Ho ho ho! So today we're going to play Mahjong. I will show you how to make a Kang Pong secret and to do the Mahjong or to win the Mahjong. Okay guys, please bear with me. I have here some tiles. Hi guys, so this is Jennifer. Tonight I will teach you how to win the game or how to Mahjong. Is to arrange all our tiles here. Oh, I like the sound, by the way. So this stick is very important. If you have somebody to make a stick for you, then go ahead, do that. The tailors have a longer kind of roller, so you might consider buying those than this the kids or school roller, because it's very small. It's only 1 foot. So we need a longer one. In our Mahjong, guys, you have to make a set of 3 identical numbers or 3 sequence numbers. And make sure you have I. I is like this. 2 identical number. Whatever number it is, as long as it's a twin number, you're good. And to Mahjong, you have to tell everybody that you are waiting. If you pick up your number and you discard your number, you have to tell what number you have to discard, because everybody is looking at their tiles all the time. They will not look what you threw in there, but you know, they will just listen. So all you have to do, if you toss your or if you discard your tiles, you have to tell 9 Chinese character, 3 bamboo, tweet tweet, or the bird. That's a 1 bamboo, guys, is a bird. There are 3 suits of our Mahjong: Chinese character, dots, and bamboos. All the numbers from 1 to 9 has 4 identical numbers. So another thing, when you pick up the tiles, if you are the server and you have to do this, okay, that is 8. You have to count by 4. Count by 4. Okay, you have to pick up by 4. Count by 4 and pick up by 4. If you serve, you have to give them 4, but into, see, 4. This is how you serve. So guys, thank you for watching. This is Jennifer. Please subscribe to my channel, like, and click the notification bell. Thank you. Okay, we have a quiz here. A quiz. Okay, look at the tiles. Look at these tiles. We have a set of dots. We have I, we have sequence of dots, and we have the Chinese character. And look at these dots first. You can make a pong or you can make a sequence. And this is a Chinese character and the sequence of bamboo. And now another sequence of Chinese character, and he got another I. So these guys here, this player here, have 2 set of I. So how to make this a Mahjong? All you have to do is to wait for somebody who will discard number 1 dots and number 9 Chinese character, and then you will win. Nine character Mahjong. Yes, Mahjong, guys. So this is an example of how you play Mahjong. You have to complete the set and you have to have an eye. set of 3, set of 3, a set of 3. So it's just a set of 3 PONG or a set of CHOW. A set of sequence number and a set of 3 identical numbers. Look at this example here. These are the example of another tiles. This guy is already in a waiting. So the set of Chinese character and these 2 bamboos here, 1 and 4 is his waiting number. So anybody who will discard 1 bamboo or 4 bamboo, this guy will win. Another player here. Let's check what he got. So he got this identical number of 3. He got a sequence number, and he got this red dragon as his eye. And he got another set of blue dragon. So the only thing that he needs is number 1 bamboo and number 4 bamboo, and he will win the game. So this is the last set that need to be completed. So we are waiting for 1 bamboo and the 4 bamboo in order for us to mahjong. Okay, anybody who will discard? Yes, there is. So somebody discarded the 1 bamboo, so we mahjong. So this guy's already completed his set. Look at that. He's waiting for 1 and 4, and somebody discarded a 1 bamboo. So look at this one, guys. A set of 3, another 3, another 3, another 3, and we have I and another set of 3. So that's all you have to do. A set of 3 and an I. So this is another set of tiles. This player here ponged twice. He ponged the bird and he ponged the Chinese, or he ponged the bird and then he ponged a green dragon. So these are the tiles that he got. A set of he got a set of bamboo, and this is his waiting, 4 and 7. So whoever discard the 4 Chinese character and the 7, so this guy will finish, or this guy will mahjong. So you are waiting for number 4 and number 7. You have to open your ears. Anybody who will discard 4 and 7, and then you have to shout mahjong. Not shouting, guys, but I know that you'll be excited if you hear a 7 character or a PONG, a 4 character. So here we are, complete our set, and we have a set of sequence, we have the set of the same tiles and our eyes. So look at the styles we have here. We KANG, and then we have a set of sequence 1, 2, 3. We have a set of 3 identical numbers, And we have 9 bamboo and this Chinese character here. So what we're missing is the I. So if anybody will discard number 9 bamboo, then we mahjong. So this player need I, number 9 bamboo, and then look at the tiles here. So all 3, 3, 3, 3, but we need I. This is Kang. Either she pong first and then she pick up the 4th number, or she already have 3 and Kang the 4th number. Nine bamboo. Mahjong. Yes, that's how you do it. Somebody will discard and say the number, and then those who is in the waiting, you have to say Mahjong, the end. Okay. In our tiles, guys, you can pong as many as you want, but you only have one set waiting. Either the set of identical number, the sequence number, or the I. So that's our tutorial for today. Thank you for watching. This is Jennifer. Please subscribe to my channel, like, and click the notification bell. Mahjong!